Hello, sirs. This is Nageshwar Nath, Associate Professor in Mathematics from BVRIT Hyderabad College of Engineering. As a part of Capstone project, so I would like to present the course, my course portal details. Okay, so this is our BVRIT H Vidya.in course portal site, and so I try to log into my course portal. Right. So I'm dealing with so many courses, and I have created the course portals. And presently, I'm dealing with the topic computer-oriented statistical methods, and under this art semester. So first, I'd like to show you the participants list. So I'm dealing with the 3 sessions for 180 students, and a few other faculty members are included. So totally 185 members are there under this course. This is the participants list. Yeah. So first, let me show you the overall outlook of the course portal. This is the first general session, and as per JNTUH, so we have divided the total content into 5 units, and 5 units. This is the first unit, and each unit we have started with the mind map of that unit. So giving the total contents, clear contents, okay, so that the students will get an idea. So what are the topics and how they are related with each other, and they can remember for a long time. And this is unit 1, unit 2, again with the mind map. Yeah, so few topics that we have highlighted. So as soon as we start the units, we'll just unhide them and provide the access to the students. This is unit 5. So these are the 5 units we are having under this course. So because this is a mathematics subject, so we have given 2 quotations to have a different approach for the students. So mathematics is not about numbers, equations, computations, or algorithms, but it is about understanding. So generally, students will think that it is only doing right mathematics. So it is not only just doing, but it is understanding the concept of understanding the concept is quite important. So that is what we are showing here, and also they need to practice more. So that the only way to learn mathematics is doing mathematics. So without practice, they don't get anything right in their mathematics. So they need to practice. So these are the 2 strategies they have to follow, right? So that is what we have shown first, and I have started with the introduction module, and in this one, the course outcomes are presented, and a mind mapping of the total units. So what are the topics we are having? Unit 1, unit 2, 3, 4, and 5, and what are the present contents in that? That is what presented, and we have some announcements. So presented with announcements of various right information, and we have provided the first syllabus as per the JNTU. So clear detailed syllabus along with some reference books, and teaching plan, right, we have provided. So where the details of all the sessions schedules are there, and even we are having provided that video links of various application oriented concepts, whether video lectures are provided, and few more book list of books also. That's the last at the end we have provided. So various books. Yeah. So this is the course my sections timetable. So before starting the course, so I have provided particularly 4 lectures for prerequisites, so which they are supposed to know, because without having the basics of these 4, they cannot follow. So for example, this is one lecture I have provided about the set theory. So students, welcome to the next session of set theory part 2 under prerequisites to probability. Yeah. So like that, we have provided few lectures, video lectures we prepared, and we have just given access to the students. Hello students, welcome to the session permutations under prerequisite 2. So as the students, once they prepare these like 4 lectures, they will get good command of the fundamentals. And even after that, we have conducted 2 quizzes on prerequisites only. So because I believe that they should have a strong foundation about the basics, right? And these are the students' participation, and you can see the results also. These are the results what they could perform in that quiz. So 2 quizzes we could conduct under prerequisites. Okay, and university papers, previous question papers are also provided, so they will get an idea what type of questions they will get, and based on that they can prepare the content and they can score more marks. Similarly, assignments and the discussion forum. The students, if they are having doubts, they can contact us and they can discuss with the faculty. And even live lectures we have provided under this present. Generally, we are using Microsoft Teams. This is a sample lecture. Okay, so last class we started, right? So joint property distribution. Okay, so in the joint property distribution, we discussed what do you mean by, I think I told you that. So what we have done earlier is a single, right? So this is the one, and we have kept some materials just like a PPT, PowerPoint presentations, and some lecture notes. This is the what I have used OneNote. So I got this is a very good opportunity to learn that about OneNote. It is very quite useful for me to use this OneNote because for mathematics, right? So even I'm using a digital pen, Wacom digital pen. It is quite useful for me to use this one because for mathematics faculty, it is not easy for presenting or writing the equations, right? Using presenting by PPT. So we need definitely the unit is to use the whiteboard like that, and quiz is ready to be used, and the discussion forum is there, so where you can they can ask discussion, can keep some any doubts, you can and other than that we have provided some other materials, useful materials where they can learn some applications. So what are the applications, right, we are having for probability and other things. So like this for each unit we have provided, right? So all types of materials along with the total details, and even we have prepared some application oriented videos. This is for final unit, stochastic process. So like that we have covered almost all the units, and still we are updating because we have time to discuss with other units. So we have updated, we're trying to update everything. Okay, so this is about my course portal. So I'm very happy to be a part of the online teaching course provided by IUCAE. So I could learn many things, many tools, and got many information, much information about that online teaching, right? Because in this pandemic situation, not only in the pandemic situation, even in future, so we are just depending upon that online teaching. So I've started already applying so much information, just like Kahoot, Mentiquiz, Mentimeter quiz. So these are the tools I'm just trying to apply. And even I have learned how to manage the time because Krishna Vedula sir, he has arranged the total session an excellent way. So even we have how the sessions are arranged, the time maintenance, everything. So I'm very happy to be a part of this course. And thanks to Krishna Vedula sir, Keith Fernandez sir, and all other team members for providing, giving us such a good opportunity. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you all.